Hello, today we are going to learn how to install and change the language in Windows 10. Please like this video and subscribe me to understand further programs. At first, enter the Start menu and go to the Time and Language option on the Settings page. Then click on the Language tab. Click Add a Language to add a new language pack. After doing, all the languages that Windows 10 currently supports will be shown. Select the language you want to add. You can also type the desired language in the search field. After selecting the language, click Next to download the required language. It's also possible to add as many languages as you need in the same way. The added languages can be seen on the taskbar. Press Alt and Shift together. It's a shortcut to switch among languages that are installed on your Windows. Any language that you choose, the system language will be changed to it accordingly. But how to uninstall a language? First, enter the Start menu and go to the Time and Language option on the Settings page. Then click on the Language tab. In the Languages section, click on any language that you want to delete and press the Remove button. The language will be uninstalled. Thank you for watching this video. Every week, I have a video to learn a point in the world of computer. Goodbye.